Welcome back to Prognosis. Today we're going to go through the endocrine library. When you first log into your database, the first screen that you see is your home screen. You can move forward and backwards using the arrows as you start moving through the system. The house will always bring you back to home. Each one of these tabs across the top are menu tabs to take you to other screens in the system. We also have some icons across the top here. The first one is a dashboard where you can see your favorite reports at a glance, up to 9 reports. You can have up to 10 different dashboards, and you can pick the report that you want to be in each cell. We do have a switch to billing. We have an appointment icon here where you can take an appointment. You have a patient search. We have your inbox where you can compose a message. You can see all the messages in your inbox, any faxes that have come in, anything you've sent out, all of that would be available in here. You do have a lock and a log out, so you can lock your screen or log out and be back on the home screen. Down here we have appointments and open encounters. The appointment tab shows all the appointments for today, whether they've completed any paperwork, what the status of the customer is in the system, in the clinic. Here we have icons. So when you hit the icon tray, there's icons that will also take you to other places, other screens. You have your open encounters tab where you can see all your encounters that are left open. And then you have your filters, so you can filter out your dashboard. And you also have your manage columns, so you can control all the fields that you want to see across here. You just click your manage column button and it will show you everything that's available. And then you choose the one that you want, put it over here. If you want to move it around, you can drop and drag it wherever you want it to go and then hit apply and it'll be on your dashboard. To get to a patient chart, you're going to go ahead and click on the patient name. It's going to take you directly to the face sheet. The face sheet is the first screen that you'll see when you log into the encounter site. You can have up to 16 different cells on the face sheet. The face sheet shows all your past history information. You have a manage column button here where you can actually add other cells into your face sheet and name them. You can also have up to 9 different face sheets. So this is completely customizable. You have your vitals. You can enter your vitals here. You do have a copy button where you can copy forward from a previous visit. And you can also have a matrix so you can see your vitals side by side over time. You have HPI, which is where all your complaints are going to be. You can select one or multiple complaints. You have a library of complaint templates for endocrine. So there's 4 different pages of different endocrine HPI complaints. And you also have a copy button. So you can copy forward from a previous visit and copy that information. You do have a copy from past history button up here. So you can even select a specific visit that you want to copy forward and which sections you want to copy forward. You have a review of systems. And then you have your physical. If you'll look, there are multiple types of physicals, exams in here for the provider. We have procedure tab. Under the procedure tab, this is where you're going to find all of your procedures, your questionnaires, your assessments, things like that related to endocrine. So as you can see, there's 3 pages of different endocrine related procedures and assessments in here. We also have a draw tool where you can select a picture and you can mark that picture and you can put a pen there and make a comment. Save it at the bottom and it can become part of your progress note. Of course, we have labs, radiology, and prescriptions, or you can go directly to the order sheet and you can do all of them in one place. Here you can choose labs, radiology, consults, procedures, prescriptions. It will bring up the prescription screen, and DME all in one place. You just select your order. You select your vendor that you want to use, whichever lab vendor you're using or who you want to send this to. And then you select your test. They'll come over here to the right. You create the order, and then now you can send out your order. You also have your assessment and plan where based on the HPI previously selected the ID codes. So those will come in here as well if you have your templates coded. And then you have your progress note. Your progress note will generate a nice progress note in here. There's multiple types of progress notes that you can have. You can go to the library here and you can change the type of progress note. You can have a soap note if you prefer soap notes. It just changes your note according to what you want. And then you can go to encounter close. Once you close your encounter, you can create a claim. You can click here and create your claim. All your documents will be stored in a document list. So the document list is your chart. It has all the documents that you do, whether it's progress notes, procedure notes, letters, consent forms, all of that will show up into your document list. You can select multiple items on your document list and you can create a PDF, a zip file, print them out, view them, and also share them on the portal. So if you have a patient portal or another type of portal like referring provider portal, you can actually share your documents directly onto the portal. And using this share button here, this one here is not set up, but if you can share and then the button will light up over here. Now, once you've closed your encounter, it will automatically create your claim. And when you go to the billing side, you'll be able to see all your patients here, and then they'll say ready to bill. And you'll just come here to your claim button and go to your billing claim. And your claim will be in here and you'll be able to review that claim and go ahead and send it out. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.